Hello, today I'm going to provide you with the Guelph housing market stats for August of 2019. So let's get right into it and look at some of those key metrics. Median sale price was $530,000, which is up by 10.8% relative to August 2018. Median days on market is now at 17 days, which is down by 4 days from last August. The total number of sales was 207, which is up by 7.8%. And the total number of listings was 231, which is down by 5.7%. As you can see, even through the dog days of summer, the Guelph housing market has continued to strengthen. This is largely due to reduced inventory and consistent demand. It's driving sale prices up, it's driving days on market down, and the number of sales have increased because of it. A full breakdown of the complete stats can be seen in the description below, and we're already seeing a great flurry of activity in the month of September now that the kids are back to school and we're in the fall market. So if you're thinking about buying or selling this fall, please give me a call right away. The activity is already starting and you don't want to miss out on that great home, or you don't want to miss out on getting top dollar for your home. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.